Dilbi from Norway visited IKEA Leangen today. Let me tell about you IKEA Leangen. IKEA Leangen is one of the most modern and sustainable IKEA stores in Norway, located in Trondheim. It is more than just a furniture store. It is a place designed to inspire people and help improve everyday life at home. The store is built with a strong focus on sustainability and environmental responsibility. IKEA Leangen uses energy-efficient lighting, renewable energy, and smart systems to reduce waste and energy consumption. Many of the materials used in the building are recycled or responsibly sourced, showing IKEA's commitment to protecting the environment. Inside the store, visitors can explore fully furnished rooms that reflect real homes and real lifestyles. These room setups help customers imagine how IKEA products can fit into their own homes. From small apartments to larger family houses, the solutions focus on smart storage, space-saving design, and practical furniture. IKEA Leangen offers a wide range of products, including furniture, kitchen solutions, home accessories, and organization systems. Each product is designed with simplicity, quality, and functionality in mind. IKEA believes that good design should be affordable and accessible to everyone. Food is also an important part of the IKEA experience. At IKEA Leangen, customers can enjoy traditional Swedish dishes, such as meatballs, as well as plant-based options. The restaurant focuses on sustainability and reducing food waste. The store is easy to reach by public transport, making it convenient and environmentally friendly. Services like click and collect make shopping faster and more efficient. In conclusion, IKEA Leangen is not just a place to shop. It is a place to get inspired, learn about sustainable living, and discover smarter ways to create a comfortable home.